Police probing disappearance of Digicel employee Kevin Walker. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Links 007 TV News understand that the police are probing the circumstances surrounding the disappearance of Digicel employee Kevin Walker. Mr. Walker was reported missing on February the 2nd. The police theorized that a decomposing body found in a barrel on Industrial Terrace last week may be that of Mr. Walker, but the advanced state of decomposition has hampered efforts to positively identify the body. Links 007 TV News understands that Mr. Walker was last seen on February the 1st after he rented a car from a small car rental company in Allman Town. It is understood that the police are probing whether Mr. Walker was beaten and tortured in order to provide his personal banking information to the suspects. According to our sources, members of the Jamaica Constabulary Forces Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime CTOC and the Crime Office for Kingston Eastern flagged suspicious activities on Walker's account. These include a transfer of $700,000 from his account to a National Commercial Bank account under the name Alisa Dixon. It's also alleged that the suspect used Walker's credit card to make purchases at Carlessa and Gibbo Trading. Carlessa is an appliance store located on Retirement Road in Kingston, while Gibbo Trading is a grocery store located on Windward Road. It's understood that the delivery address for the transaction was Allman Town, the same area where Walker was last seen alive. According to our sources, the police witnessed the items being delivered to the Allman Town address. Alisa Dixon, who was listed as a person of interest in relation to the case, has since been located and is being questioned. Alisa Dixon, who was listed as a person of interest in the case, has since been located and is being questioned by detectives. On Saturday, the police named two people who they believe can assist in their investigation. They are Damian McFarlane, otherwise called Diamond, and a man known as his alias Lavar. Individuals with information that can assist the police are being urged to contact the police 119 emergency number, Crime Stop at 319, the National Intelligence Bureau at 811 or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.